Hello everyone. So are you getting a no connection error on Steam? So let's visit quickly. First, step one is to check if Steam is down for everyone. So just let me go to Google or so just Google Steam server status like this. Steam server status, and you can find this link here is Steam down. Click on it. So as you can see, Steam is working for everywhere. So if not, you'll see NA or some red mark. All right. Anyway, then they also have a Steam server status page where you can see if Steam is working or not. Is if Steam is up, the issue might be your connection. So let's go to the next step. Test your internet speed at speedtest.net, or you can check on your mobile to see if your connection is working. And then uh, if Steam is not working, you should check your router, right? So most of the time your router is at fault. So restart it, and if you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. Next, check your firewall. Some updates can block Steam even if it worked before. Uh, Also, background apps like antivirus or network tools can interfere with Steam. Disable or pause anything non-essential. If you are on a school or office network or using a proxy, required Steam ports might be blocked. Contact your network admin or switch to a personal network. Still having issues during certain hours? Then your ISP might be throttling or blocking Steam traffic. Try at a different time and call them if needed. And that's all there is to it. Follow the steps and your Steam connection should be back in no time.